We are back and we're going to make St. Louis style ribs today. We're going to get things started by covering these ribs in our sweet hog barbecue rub. I've already trimmed them. I will do a video soon on how we go from spare ribs to St. Louis cut. After we rub these down with our sweet hog, we're going to get them on the Pit Boss smoker rolling 250 degrees with post oak pellets. We're going to go about 4.5 hours. At about 2.5 hours in, once these ribs are on the smoker, we're going to come out, spray them down with some apple cider vinegar diluted with a little bit of water. I prefer this because it doesn't put as much sugar back onto the ribs for them to burn. At about 4.5 hours, these ribs are done. We are going to wrap them in some aluminum foil, spray that foil down with some cider vinegar and dilute some barbecue sauce. Once these ribs are in this foil, we're going to wrap them and throw them in our Magellan Pro 55 quart hard cooler for about a 45-minute rest, and once they are done, we're going to get them out and enjoy some nice St. Louis style spare ribs.